Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how we reverse engineer and 3D scan a plastic precision component like this. Here we have a connector. The connector itself is so small, and if you see the switches, they're really small and minute and has smaller features in it. So for parts like this, we require a 3D scanner which can give you good accuracy as well as precision. That is why we have a 3D scanner here which can scan these parts and even parts smaller than this at a great accuracy of up to 10 microns and at a fraction of cost. Did you know our scanner captures intricate geometries and complex surfaces with high precision? This can help you with quality control and inspection. It can help speed up your product development and also reduce your time to market. You can also use your scan file to identify surface degradation, distortions, and deformations. You can also use this data for CNC machining, 3D printing, and mold making. As you can see, the scan file is smooth, precise, and in close tolerance to the original part. Fun fact, did you know by creating digital twins or digitizing the part, you can actually get rid of your old and obsolete machine components? So what are you waiting for? Get this scanner for your design and quality control team now.